What's up? So, I got something today. Yeah, building battle, man. I'm excited because you know what? I haven't seen that much Pokemon cards in 2 years. 2 years. I have not seen that many Pokemon cards in one store. They had a ton. I only bought this because I was just gonna buy a pack, but then I was like, oh, dude, you know what? I haven't opened one of these in forever. So, I went ahead and got the build-in battle. All right, here we go. It's the, ooh, nice Lucario. Ah. Yes, I will probably use that. There's 4 packs in here. I almost also bought, they had something, it was 25 bucks. So I was like, maybe not. Because it came with like 3 or 4 packs, and then it came with sleeves and a box, but it was Dragon Ball Z cards. I was like, well, I don't know. I can't decide. No, I'll get this. I'm just gonna open 1 pack for now. Oh my gosh, those are beautiful. Kindler. Ooh, nice, that's cute. Oh, nice. Gyarados. And Luxray. Dude, I love that energy. It's pretty awesome. Alright, here we go. I gotta do this fast. Wish there was an easier way to open this. Let's go, yo. Let's do this. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Oh, dude, that's psychic. Freaking awesome. You know, it'd be cool if they had the Legends Arceus. That's a nice looking Magmar. Spiritomb and ooh, reverses abusive. And the rare is a Scaraptor. Lame. Alright, give me something good, guys. Give me something good. Guess they got rid of the green coating or something? I don't know. Maybe not. I don't remember seeing the last one, so. Alright, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is this? What is this? What is this? That's cool. I don't know what that is. Okay. V-Stars. Alright, let's see. Sorry, it's having a hard time focusing. Reverses Luxray. And the Ray. Ooh, nice. There's a Morpeko. What in the world is this? V-Star. What's a V-Star card? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that up. I have no idea. I haven't been paying attention to Pokemon in a while, so I don't remember now. Alright, last pack of magic. Let's see if I can get that Charizard. Alright, here we go. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, nice steel. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got. Here we go. What? Oh, that was the reverse. Okay. Nice. And a Flygon. That threw me off for a second. That reverse did not look reverse. That was a pretty good hand. Cards. So, catch you guys in the next video.